All right, guys, the AirPods Max, one of my favorite headphones to use and just to chill and listen to music to. Now, today we are specifically talking about the EarCup's and replacing the EarCup's on the AirPods Max. If you use these or rip them, whatever it may be, or you just want a backup pair or a new pair, you can mix and match colors. You can buy these from Apple for $70, and you can get a new pair, you can get a new color, you can replace these if they are getting worn. But there are better options out there to get exactly the same quality, material, a one-to-one in every single way. You can get these from AliExpress for about a third of the price. I have a pair here, different color. I did order these in gray. These are for the silver color AirPods Max, but you can mix and match if you want. And these are one-to-one, guys, in every single way for about a third. I paid about $25 for these. It took about 3 weeks to get here, but take a look at this. Just a better way just a way to save money. You could buy 3 different colors on these for the exact same price that you could to get one pair from Apple. So you can see the material here, exactly the same weight on here, the back on here, exactly the same in every single way for a lot cheaper. And these fit exactly the same. I'll show you. I mean, they are exactly the same. Fit on with the magnets. They are on there. They do not come off in any way at all. You can see they're not coming off. Just as comfortable, just as cushiony. The insides are exactly the same. Now, the one little difference is the ear cup width here. It's a little more narrow on the ones from AliExpress, but it's slight, but you can see the difference on the inside. But these are so cushiony that they're just comfortable anyway. It doesn't matter if they sit on your ear, if they touch your ear a little bit, because of this padding and this material and how soft and cushiony this is, it doesn't feel any different to me when I wear these. And the same on the right. You can see the R on the inside. It's there. It's not as noticeable as it is on the darker color, but it is there. And you can see this one here, the right cup here, is actually almost just as wide as the originals from Apple. But just a way to save money. And if you want to mix and match and just, get a little different look. These don't look too bad like that. Let me know what you think. And I'll drop the link below. And if you guys want to save some money or if you need a replacement, this is a good option to go. Again, shipping does take a little longer, about 3 weeks to a month for these to come in. But you can buy these for a third of the price as the originals from Apple. And that's it. Just a quick video, guys. Also, another one of my favorite accessories for the AirPods Max, and I'll drop the links for these below, are these little ear cups, Aramid fiber protection for your ear cups, and it gives it that look of that carbon fiber, which I absolutely love. Look how good that looks. That kind of looks cool with the silver ear cups and the Pitaka ear cup covers on there. It looks good. I like it. That's it, guys. Just a quick video. There are other options out there that allow us to save money on all of our tech and our accessories, and this is a really good one. That's it, guys. Hit that like button. A sub would be appreciated, and I'll be back soon. Peace.